Well, hi there. What's up? Hey, I'm talking to you. What's wrong? Listen, if you're in a bad mood, then tell me. I understand. Hi, guys. Do you know what's going on with the hamster's mood? I'm starting to worry. There is something strange about your behavior. What is wrong? Come on, tell me. Why aren't you running in the spinning wheel? Is it Sue who doesn't allow you to? Huh? I get it. You are too shy to talk in front of the camera. I'll fix it in no time. So, what do hamsters like most of all? Aha! Okay. Where was it? Ooh, this I don't need. Oh! Found it! Let's start with the carrot. Here you go. You want some? No? Ugh, whatever.
Guys, what's going on here?
Nothing special. We're just having a small talk here.
That's weird. I heard only your voice, Sam.
No, we were having fun here, you know, singing and all that.
Singing? I don't believe you.
Guys, you saw it.
Sam, if you want to make friends or play with someone, you don't have to be annoying with so many questions.
But I also tried to treat him with a carrot.
And what do you think about this?
Whoa. Hey, pal, how do you like Sue's idea?
By the way, guys, we still didn't come up with a name for our fluffy friend. Could you help us with that? Write your suggestions in the comments below, and we'll choose the most popular one. Guys, if you like labyrinths as much as we do, then comment below.
Sue, don't you think that this maze is way too easy?
And what do you suggest?
To make 4 more of them.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Each maze will become a new level, and to make them even more beautiful, we'll use different colors.
Let's hurry up and start drawing.
Next maze will be a bit more complicated.
Oh, Sue, I see that you know what you're going to draw.
Right, Sammy, it'll be an unusual maze.
Ooh, it's round.
That's right.
I also put something together. Look.
Great, Sam, that's a cool maze. Right, we need 2 more designs.
Look, maybe we can use this thing in our maze?
Let's take a look.
Sure.
I hope that our hamster friend will fit into this thing. Okay.
Guys, if you like the idea of this 5-level maze, then give a thumbs up.
Sam, what do you think of this 4th maze?
It's totally awesome. Let's get to the construction.
All right, and we'll design the red maze a bit later.
Okay. Sue, come and have a look. Our friend is already testing the future maze.
So friends, each maze will require cardboard bases like this. The first maze will only require cardboard. Sam!
Yes, everything is almost ready. Here you go. I cut all the parts.
Whoa, let's check what we have.
No need to check. Time to glue them.
As you say, Sammy. This maze is not as easy as it seems. But we'll see later.
Don't forget to glue this.
Thanks, Sammy. Sam, you are doing a great job today. You prepared all the parts so nicely.
You don't have to thank me. Just call me the master of cardboard mazes.
I'll rename you in my phone like that. Guys, our first maze is ready. I think it looks great.
Of course it does, since I cut everything out. Let's get to the next one right now.
And this maze will be round.
You will need this.
I don't think so, Sammy. We won't need the ball at all. I'll roll the cardboard instead. According to our design, the cardboard will take a round shape here, so it shouldn't be too thick. Let's get to work.
Whoosh! 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 I'm the cardboard king!
We need to hurry up and assemble our maze because Sam is already preparing parts for the 3rd one.
Glue it nicely. watching you.
Whoa, I really like our round maze. Just a little bit more, and it'll be ready.
Why is it taking so long? I'm almost done with things for the third maze. Oh, I really want to start the hamster run.
Phew, if you didn't rush me, I would manage it faster. Don't you think so, Sammy?
Guys, which maze do you like the most? The first one or the second one?
What about the third or fourth one?
Very funny. They don't exist yet.
Well, let's do a poll for the best maze when all 5 are ready. And our viewers will choose the best one.
Let's do it, and they will write their choice in the comments.
I guess we need to set the parts like this. Aha, got it.
Be careful with the hedgehogs.
What hedgehogs?
What do you mean what? With these ones, of course.
Sorry I didn't guess right away.
How could you miss all these hedgehogs? I don't get it.
Poor Sammy. Oh well, the next maze doesn't have that much cardboard.
Oh, I am so looking forward to the hamster running in the maze. It'll be so much fun.
So the third maze is ready! Yay!
Whoa, there are only hedgehogs here. Brr.
Okay, now we have a very interesting task, guys.
You forgot something.
Great, you're just in time. First, we need to divide our platform into 4 parts like this, using the cardboard.
This doesn't look much like a maze. More like some rooms in a hobbit house.
But look at this cool revolving door.
And the pipe. The pipe! Where do we install it?
We will attach it here. Don't worry.
I'm not worried. I hope the hamster will be okay with it when he sees it.
So, we should come up with something for these 2 sections.
Let's leave it like this. We already have the revolving door and the pipe.
That's not interesting. We should fill them at least with all kinds of bright stuff like this.
I guess it's not that easy to get out of this maze.
And I think that this maze looks prettier than the others, plus more challenging.
Now attention, friends. We are constructing the last maze, the 5th one. Guess which color it'll be? Correct! It'll be red!
Well, here, everything is easy peasy.
Wow, it's an Italian maze!
Why Italian?
Well, here, all the tracks look like spaghetti. They're long and curly. By the way, guys, do you have a favorite type of pasta? I like bolognese most of all. Comment below!
Oh, Sam, I think you're just hungry. That's why you see spaghetti everywhere.
And is the Italian maze ready?
Sure, we are a great team.
Hooray! We can start the run!
5-level maze. This is something brand new for our channel. Guys, give a thumbs up for our most valiant marathon runner. Ready, steady, go! I wonder how fast our hamster can make it to the finish line.
Go, 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 hamster! You can do it! I believe in you. You're going to be our new super hamster champion, right? Right? Uh-huh. Oh. Come on, you can do it!
Oh, no! That's cheating. Go back a bit.
He's just too clever for this.
Yay!
So the first maze was quite easy. The competitor looks very confident.
Guys, don't forget to comment below which of the 5 mazes you liked the most.
Let's watch how our friend deals with the second maze.
Oops, that's a dead end, sweetie. Go here.
Go, go, go!
Yes, you're doing great. Wow, that was some speed.
Now the task gets harder. You can make it, friend. We're cheering for you.
No worries, Sam. I'm 100% sure he will tackle it. And he did!
Wow! Oh, now goes my favorite part. Sue, maybe we should help him?
No. I control the situation. Everything is going as planned. Our hamster is super smart.
He didn't like the toy so much. Oh well.
Hey, the fake grass didn't confuse him! Yay!
Hooray! The last level!
Amazing! I never thought it would be so breathtaking. Keep going, little one.
Oh,
Come on, just a few steps left.
yes!
And...
Almost there.
Yay! He's a champion! A real champion!
Guys, did you like our 5-level maze? If yes, then give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.